Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series,
Wolff Bites. Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Oh. Let's start off with the four great principles of marketing.
Marketing principle number 3, it's a numbers game.
For every marketing method you implement, you'll get a certain response.
Through trial and error, you'll figure out where the most and best leads are coming from.
Then it's just a matter of scale, of increasing or decreasing the amount of messages that you're putting out into the marketplace.
The more messages, the more marketing pieces, the more responses.
It's a numbers game. If you send out 500 letters to a list, you will get a certain response.
If you send out 1,000 letters to that same list, you'll probably get double the response.
So it's simple. If you're not getting enough leads, you need to distribute a higher number of marketing pieces.
You need to get out more signs or letters or flyers or other methods you choose.
No matter what, you need to commit to doing whatever it takes to get the number of prospects you need to be successful. Now, that being said, you want to and maybe need to be a little careful with your marketing budget.
You got another system as a companion to this one. Target marketing on any budget.
That system actually provides you with over a dozen pre-structured marketing plans with budgets on each from $100 to $2,000 per month.
That is so helpful when deciding on your own monthly marketing plan.
You don't need to spend a lot of money on marketing, though we do have students who regularly spend over $10,000 per month. Actually, a lot of our students who own home investor franchises spend that much.
Then we have some successful students who spend less than $100 a month.
It's unusual to spend more than $1,000 per month, let's say, unless you are doing tons of letters or radio, TV, or a lot of Facebook ads, internet ads. We're the Wolff couple.
We've been your neighbors here for over 25 years. Just keep in mind, when you double the amount of messages, you double the cost and you also double the return.
So when you find a marketing method that produces, you can just turn the leads on and off like a faucet with your marketing dollars.
Turn it on full blast.
Marketing principle number 4. Consistency is crucial.
You need to maintain focus on your real estate marketing and really stay consistent.
You can't dally around with a little here and a little there and just hope deals will drop into your lap.
Each month you need to decide on your marketing plan. Remember that sample plans are in your target marketing system.
Then apply your plan consistently.
If you want consistent results, it's simple. Market consistently.
Many of the responses to your marketing will actually not be from the prospect's first exposure to your message.
Depending on the marketing method, it may be the 2nd or 5th or even 10th time.
Sometimes it takes many exposures before they are finally compelled to contact you.
This is true for certain methods like business cards, and it's especially true for roadside signs.
Signs always work for buyers, but the first couple of times you put out seller signs, it might seem like they don't quite register with the public.
Then, after your signs have been out there for 1 or 2 months, or 6 or 12 months, the quality calls really start coming in.
Now, it's unlikely you'll ever get 50 seller incoming calls per month just off roadside signs.
If you can get 10 to 20, that would be awesome.
These are usually high-quality leads that pay off with a high conversion ratio.
In fact, 6 of our first 10 deals came from roadside signs, right, honey?
Yes, that's true, and that's all because of Lynette. Guys, in the beginning, she always made sure to set her alarm for 5:30 a.m. every Saturday so she could make sure to roll over and kick my butt out of bed to go put out 50 signs.
Hey, I did my part.
Yes, yeah, that's right. It's true, guys. I was very focused at the start, and I personally put out about 200 signs per month for quite a while. Now, of course, I carefully tracked all our results for trial and error purposes. It struck me how it took a while for the phone to start ringing, but pretty soon roadside signs turned into one of our most reliably producing marketing methods.
So even if the response starts a little slow on some methods, give it a chance.
Keep getting the right marketing messages in the right amounts to the right people via the right medium, and the response will come.
So there you have it. Those are the 4 great principles of marketing. We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.